Day in the life of an entrepreneur who makes 100K in life. Let's get it. I posted on YouTube for 18 straight days that you see there. And I also hit 11K subscribers. But for whatever reason, on a random Tuesday last week, my vlogging camera broke. All my momentum, all my progress was just shot out the window. And it sucked the most because vlogging and talking to you, sharing my journey and sharing my thoughts and my processes and my feelings, like that's genuinely what made me excited every single day. Almost having like a best friend with me, like every day being able to talk to them. Not to sound dramatic, my whole life was just like shattered. It was like a couple days after my vlogging camera died last week where like I just literally laid in bed all day. Or like I literally did not feel like working. Like, oh, if I'm not filming, like what's the point? It was really tough, honestly. Vlogging is honestly what makes my days fun. Is you guys get to see the behind the scenes. You get to see all the things that I do to be able to live the life that I live. And without my camera, life seems so monotonous and almost like purposeless. That sounds terrible, but all I'm saying is I'm glad to have you back. And it feels so fucking good to finally be back to the daily YouTube vlog grind. But yeah, I'm stoked, I'm excited. Today is gonna be a good day to get back on the vlogs. If I pull up my calendar right here, full transparency, I already took a meeting with my sales team before I'm vlogging this. That's because my camera just came like 2 minutes ago. Then I have a meeting with my sales director later this afternoon. So what's happening right now is my DM closing team that closes my $697 offer is drastically outperforming my phone closing team, selling my $4,000 offer. We got to see what's up. We got to make some changes. And I think the biggest thing, my DM closing team and my phone closing team are kind of fighting against each other. It's almost like in basketball where two players on the same team are like competing with stats against each other, which is a good thing at sometimes, but if you're not on the same page and working as a unit, a lot of things are off track. So I'm gonna be talking with my sales director for my phone closing team, trying to see what changes we can make. And if we do that properly, that can make us hundreds of thousands of dollars in the next couple months if we game plan right. As well as I have an exec meeting with my business partners, Ibrahim Ansari and Dylan Dennis. And so another way to make our company more sellable is to not have all the leads come through my brand. Right now, like 80-90% of all our leads, all our customers are coming through my personal brand, which is fine, helps my ego. But what's actually better is to have multiple different sources of leads. So that way, let's say for whatever reason, as of right now, my Instagram account is shadow banned. I can't reach non-followers. And my YouTube, obviously my vlog camera, broke for like a week and a half. It's not sustainable to only rely on one person. So we are gonna be running ads, specifically Instagram DM ads on my business partner, Ibrahim's Instagram account. He was going crazy viral last year. So we're gonna be running his best content that was going viral last year and run them as ads this year. Hopefully it will convert. Our funnel is goated. Maybe I'll make a video about my specific sales funnel. Let me know in the comments. But even if the ads perform mid, because our LTV and our conversion rates are pretty crazy with our funnel, I think the ads will do well. Then after that, one of my coaches for my Inner Circle coaching program is gonna be coaching all my students. Throughout this week with my YouTube being trashed because I didn't have my vlogging camera, I decided to focus more on my actual products and my offers. I was like, to take things to a whole new level, I hired actually 3 coaches for my Inner Circle coaching program, helping people earn a full-time income from home, type messages on their phone. So that way, again, the support doesn't only rely on me. Let's say for whatever reason I get sick or I'm not feeling mentally well, I have 3 other coaches that could step in for me to help out all my students too. One of my coaches, Jack, who is what I call Renza 2.0, the DM wizard, sales rizzler. He's gonna be coaching my students on how to actually DM business owners, how to get them on calls, and how to rizz them up and close them. Then finally, last but not least, it's one of my best friends in Chicago's birthday later tonight. We're gonna, I think it's a surprise dinner. I don't know, we'll see. But we're gonna get dinner with him and a couple of our other boys at this fancy restaurant called RPM Steak. Anyways, that's enough yapping for this intro. Let's get the day started, let's go. All right, about to hop on a meeting with my sales director, see what's going wrong, see what's going right, and see how we could improve to take this company to the next level, close more deals, and make some fucking money. But with that being said, we actually take our meetings in this little space. take a look at this. And it's kind of like Sims. So we meet in like a conference room right here. That's one of our core values. If it's not fun, it's not going to be sustainable and we're going to resent it. Okay, just wrapped up the meeting. Feeling good. There's some changes I can't say publicly. I'm sorry, I know I'm gatekeeping. We just hired, I believe, 7 new setters to book more calls to my phone closers. Super excited for all the changes. Me and my business partners, my sales director are all super optimistic that we're gonna fucking crush and scale to the moon. Other than that, I have one last meeting for the day. This is optional for me, but one of my coaches, Jack, who is a killer booking calls through Instagram DMs and closing clients, is going to be hosting a group coaching call for my inner circle students. Let's cut to it. Jack's about to give all the sauce and let's go.
Yeah, awesome experiences. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense.
While waiting, trying to get some hot water. Don't have a kettle right now, so gotta go to my 48th floor amenity space. Check it, baby. Yes, sir. Fun fact, I have my first 1 million view video on Instagram in this same exact location. Lots of good memories in this space, but the reason I came was to get a little cup because I ran out of mugs in my apartment. There we go. Mr. Birthday Man.
Like she tries to say, but it's off season. So what is she gonna?
Just got back from dinner. I am full as fuck, tired as hell. Pretty fun. Always good seeing the boys. Everybody wish Truman a happy birthday in my comment section down below. But with that being said, we are back to daily vlogs, and you know what that means? Gotta go over official numbers for the day. We made $1,764, but wait, we also closed a bank transfer for $1,100. Only thing is, bank transfers take a couple days for it to process, so it doesn't actually show up on my payment processor. So in total, if you do the math, $2,864 day. So pretty average, nothing crazy, not bad, not good, just eh. But if you are interested in how I'm able to make money without doing a whole lot of work, I just made a free course breaking down exactly how I made $2 million profit just typing messages on my phone. Now you can do it too, or make like 3 to 4K a month from home if you want. It's on YouTube, just check out this playlist right here, and I break it all down for you. So get a pen and paper, it's gonna be saucy. Check out this playlist again right here. And other than that, give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.